Hello, friends and followers. Well, the radio is finally fixed for receive. At least the main receiver is working. The RF amp isn't. This radio is all about the relays, I'm sorry to say, but these relays, every single one has to be perfectly clean and functioning, or you're not going to get any sensitivity. So I went through this section today and found it was fine as far as the RF receive goes. And I took out this relay and cleaned it in a previous video. One of these isn't still working right because I can't get the RF amp to work. But anyway, I just took out this little guy here and cleaned him. And that's made a huge, huge, huge difference. This thing is like fired up on fire now. So, yeah, finally it's working. It's usable. You can see on 40 meters here, the FT8 stuff is going crazy. So, nice radio when it works, huh? Sideband isn't working still. I can hear sideband on AM mode here, but something wrong with sideband here. It just kicks in once in a while. Loose wire, maybe from me mucking around, I don't know. But with AM mode here, it's receiving well, the way it should. RF amp is not working. So I guess for me the solution would be to find new relays, and since I'm socketed, just plunk them in there. So I think now that the radio is verified that it works, I can spend some more money and do that. And then fix the SSB, and this thing should be ready to go for having a nice radio and enjoying it. 80 meters. You want static on 80, which I have now. $38.70 AM, guys. And let's try 160 for some AM stuff here. So yeah, so this thing is it's what you want. You want static. So this thing is working finally. And that's what I want to hear. So it seems to still be in SSB mode somewhat. It's got some problems. Let's see here, but it's receiving well. Let's try. So that's got a carrier from internally in the radio too, which is bad. But it's working. So that's how it should work. Finally. Let's try this. 0. Some FT8 there. T8 is great for radio checks. Anyway, that settles that. I need more good relays, and maybe this thing will be done. So I'm going to call it pretty much done now. I know what's wrong with it. I just need better relays. I've cleaned out what I have and they're working, but and I got to fix the sideband, and sideband will come on sometimes. So something's screwy here somewhere.
Bueno, hay una preocupación de la línea de campesinos, algo que ustedes han ido estando observando. Plátano burro, 4 papas, 2 naranjas, y le topan los precios de las que...
Anyway, I'm as happy as punch. At least now the receiver's working, or I know how to make it work. So got to get SSB to work, and then this thing is going to be just wrapping up all loose ends. Maybe tuning a transmitter a bit, and we'll see. But it's coming along. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Again, Yaesu FT-102, the radio of woe and struggle.